Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Acura TL oil life. First, get into your car and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This powers up the electrical system without engaging the engine. Next, find the sell/reset button, which is usually on your steering wheel or sometimes on the dashboard. Make sure your car's display is clearly visible for the next steps. Now, press the sell/reset button repeatedly. You'll see different information screens cycle through on your multi-information display. Keep pressing until you see the engine oil life percentage. This is the screen we need to interact with. It will show you the current remaining life of your engine oil, which might be quite low if you're due for a reset. Once the engine oil life is displayed, press and hold the sell/reset button. You need to hold it down for about 10 seconds. After this duration, the display will change, presenting a confirmation menu. This menu typically gives you options such as reset or cancel for the engine oil life. This is your prompt to proceed with the reset. To finalize the reset, use the info up or down buttons or sometimes the sell/reset button itself to highlight the reset option. Then, press the sell/reset button one more time to confirm your choice. Your oil life indicator should now display 100%, signifying a successful reset. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals. Turn off the ignition, then restart your car to verify the reset is complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.